I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Pinnacle Trading here. Today we had huge profit potentials. I called out many swing trading alerts early on, and we also had a nice big options trade. Let's take a look at that. Before we get into it, I'm going to show you my channel. It's right here. You can look at the uploads, my trading progress, education videos on how to trade options, how to trade in general, how to invest, and getting started with trading just on the chat room, and basically what Pinnacle Trading is about. And make sure to click that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified. We also have the website here where you can sign up for the membership. You can click the link right here or the link in the description, and this is our website right here, and you can click this and go over to membership, and then you can choose the plans right here. We have the silver, gold, and diamond. You can see the description of each one. Basically, the silver one consists of swing trading, gold one has the swing trading, options, and investing alerts for the long term, and the diamond will include the one-to-one mentorship access. You have 30 minutes of mentorship per week where you can talk to me or any of the administrators that we have in the chat room, and we can personally guide you with trading, learning. We can teach you all the secrets that we use ourselves, and you also get the chart analysis and the voice channel access in both the gold and the diamond. So I do call out my live trades in the morning, 9:30 a.m. to about 11:30 a.m. Eastern time. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the trades that we had today. So I called out Bank of America on the voice chat and in the options alerts tab, and I called it out early as well, before 10 a.m. and I said I'm taking 27th April 30 calls, limit entry right there. Can't get any clearer than that. A lot of chat rooms did call it out late, or they don't put their limit entry, but I put everything right there, and what profit target I'm looking at, I'll call that out in the voice channel if I don't get time, but I try to type this in quick as I can so the members that aren't on the voice chat can take it. And personally, I took this one, the 11th May 30 call. I'll explain why I took the later one. So this one that I called out, let's go ahead and look at the charts on that one. So it's Bank of America, April 27th expiration, 30 calls at 0.83 to 0.85. A lot of members took it at that 0.84 area, so I drew that line right here, 0.84, ran all the way to 1.17. That's 40% profit in just 2 hours. So called that out at 10 and ran all the way up there, and so 3 hours actually, and ran all the way to 1.17, resulting in 40% profit in 1 day. So you put in $1,000 and you get 40%, that's $400 in 3 hours. So that's big profit. It's really hard to see that with stocks in 1 day. So we got that nice profit, and I alerted the profits as well, and then we saw the markets come back down today. So I'll alert when to get in and when I'm taking profit, or when to look to take profits and exactly what area. Let's go ahead and look at the stock itself. So I called it out early and I saw it go up, and as soon as it broke that 30, went to that 30.15 resistance, tested that 30.20, and then ran all the way to 30.63 today on the high. We had a nice movement on the markets, so that was a really good profit. And the next one I'm going to look at is my swing trade alerts. Called these out early, actually late night, today at 1:34 a.m. So when markets opened, these did open a little higher. SOXL opened at around 134, 135, and it ran all the way to 140 plus. So let's look at that one. So open right here around 134.50, ran all the way to 144 right there. So it's about $9 per share profit potential. Next one was SBXL, called it to get in at the 40 area. Had about 10 to 20 minutes to get into that trade, maybe a little more, and as soon as you got into that 40 area, ran all the way up to 41.60. So that's $1.50 50 or more per share profit potential. So we have swing trades and options, and you can see on the option that call it out early on, and I'll call out a couple more expirations. So the reason I took the 11th May expiration 30 call, got 5 contracts of those filled right there, 1.04, because the earnings are coming up on that one on the 16th, and I like to play the earnings on stuff that I know. If I don't know it, I won't be playing them, because the earnings are a 50-50 chance basically. So once we get closer to the expiration, this Friday, I'm going to be selling most of them, and Monday earnings I'll play 1 or 2 of my contracts into then. Looking for Bank of America to break about $31 to $32 range once those earnings do come out. Alright, so those are the 2 big swing trades that we had today, and the options trade that we had for today. So resulting 40% just from the options alert, and a lot more from the swing trade. So we have a lot of these nice calls in the chat room, and you can look at the winning trades. So a lot of people took them, and we got that SPY calls here, and a lot of other ones that people were profiting in on today. So you can go ahead and join the membership by going to the website and clicking on the membership tab right here, and simple pricing. It's month-to-month plan. There's no contract. You can cancel at any time, and read the terms of service, and then click that buy now button, take you over to PayPal, and then you can message me in the chat room and just send me a screenshot of the PayPal transaction, and then I'll grant you the membership. Alright guys, a lot more trades coming like this. You can join me in the voice chat once you do grab that membership. I'll have the link of the website right here, and social media, make sure to follow us on there, and also be in the description. Alright guys, thanks for watching. More trades to come, more money to be made. Have a great week.